Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn more about finance. Begin by mastering the basics of personal finance, such as creating a budget and understanding how to save effectively. Next, delve into the various types of investments available, like stocks and bonds, and grasp the associated risks. Finally, educate yourself on managing debt responsibly and the importance of maintaining a strong credit score for your financial health. To deepen your financial knowledge, explore the wealth of resources available. Many reputable financial institutions offer free or affordable online courses that cover essential topics. Make it a habit to read books written by acclaimed financial experts. They provide invaluable perspectives. Additionally, staying informed through financial news outlets and market analysis will help you understand current economic trends and their potential impact on your money. Putting your financial knowledge into practice is crucial for real growth. Start by creating a detailed personal budget and diligently tracking your spending to identify areas for improvement. Consider opening a brokerage account with a small initial investment to gain hands-on experience with investing. Remember to regularly review and adjust your financial plan to ensure it aligns with your evolving goals and market conditions. Once you have a solid foundation, you might explore more advanced financial topics such as real estate investing or options trading. For personalized advice and complex planning, consider consulting a certified financial advisor who can offer tailored strategies. And hey, for an amazing upgrade to your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals linked in the description below. Continuously learning and adapting your approach will lead to lasting financial success.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.